Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I am back, and today I want to do a makeup chit chat, get ready with me, kind of, sort of. Um, and I want to talk about a few things. The first thing is morning sickness. Matter of fact, severe morning sickness, aka hyperemesis gravidarum. I believe that's how you pronounce it. But I've never experienced it, and now that I've Okay, so before we get into the chit chat portion of this video, I want to give you guys some details on the products that I'm using. And I'm using my Tarte, I used my Tarte concealers to outline my brows and to give them a definition. And I actually like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. So I'm also using my Artistry Vault palette from Plain Makeup by Yolando on Instagram. She did a collaboration with Beauty by Melissa, and the palette is a bomb. I love it. So let's get into it. I know you guys see the topic and you might think that I'm pregnant, but I'm not. However, I do have a really close friend who is pregnant, and she is experiencing severe morning sickness. When I tell you severe, it's severe. It's like all day. And like I mentioned in the intro, it is called the clinical term for it is hyperemesis gravidarum, and it has been crazy for her. She has been vomiting like crazy, feeling weak. Yeah, I never knew it was this hard for pregnant women, or for some pregnant women, because it doesn't get this severe for every pregnant woman. But she was explaining to me how, she can't eat, nothing stays down. She's constantly vomiting, and it is crazy for her. So I'm praying for all you pregnant ladies out there, going through the struggles, but at the end of the tunnel, there's the light. You get to hold your baby after 9 months, and that is amazing in itself. In everything there's a struggle, but at the end there's victory. So yeah, praying for my friend and for all the other ladies that are going through this hyperemesis gravidarum. So yeah, I am almost through with the eyes. I'm applying glitter, and I'm using a pencil actually to apply the glitter. My jewel pencil that you apply the jewels with. I just find it easier to apply the glitter with, and yeah, so I used it. Anyway, I'm applying my first primer. I primed twice. I used my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r matte primer, and then I used my Urban Decay primer. And I'm gonna just go over the Fenty Beauty primer. Anyway, the other thing I wanted to talk to you guys about was weight gain. Man, quarantine as it, I don't know what to say. It messed me up. It messed a lot of us up. I've gained so much weight, y'all. Prior to quarantine, I was struggling with my weight. But now it is crazy, and I'm trying to get control of it, because it's terrible. And when I gain too much weight, I kind of get depressed. I'm not even gonna lie. I get depressed, and it just takes me in a different place, like a place I don't want to be in. So I've been making it an effort to work out more, be more active and do more stuff outdoors, to get myself feeling good and eventually looking good. And my birthday is coming up October 21st. I ain't gonna tell y'all how old I'm gonna be, but you could guess in the comment section down below. Anyway, yeah, it's been a lot. I had to take a break from everything and just kind of like get myself in a mental space, you know, that I'm at least comfortable being in. And I find that working out kind of put me in a mental space where I'm like, I'm comfortable and I'm not depressed. Like it makes me not depressed. So yeah, I'm getting back to working out, going to the park and stuff like that, running and all that. And I hope you guys are, you know, taking care of yourselves as well, because I know it's not only me that has been experiencing this. Like, quarantine got us all in a mess. Okay, so I hope you guys are also taking care of yourselves and being kind to yourself. You know, go out, take a walk, take a long walk. Last week Friday, I went on a 4-mile walk. Like, I was tripping. And then the next day I was in pain. My feet were in pain. But anyway, I felt great after that walk, and yeah, I feel great right now. So I'm super happy to be back. And yeah, I never want to film while I'm in a depressive state. So that's why whenever I'm gone, it just means, you know, I'm trying to get myself up, you know, or I'm busy, I'm taking clients, or I'm working, because I do work full time, and I do my makeup on the side, and I'm trying to juggle like several different things, and yeah, it's been a lot. Anyway, y'all, get into this lace though. Like, what? So I tried the Erica J Hold Me Down glue, and baby, and I also did it, or I tried her method of installing her wig, and bro, it came out 10 times better than whenever I use other glues. Like it, I only had one spot that was turning white on me, and I covered it with foundation, but then I looked and it started disappearing by itself, not because of the foundation, because prior to this, when I used other glues, it would keep turning white, and it would just start spreading. And yeah, so I am gonna get more of that Hold Me Down. I'm gonna get the large one when she restock, and I'm gonna stash that for later days. But yeah, how you guys doing? Let's chat in the comment section. I want to know how y'all doing. I know life ain't easy, but y'all some warriors. We some fighters, and you got this. You got this. All right? Beat your face, put on your wig, feel good about yourself, go on about your business, and do the do, honey. Okay? Okay? Anyway, I really love this install. I was in love with this install. I am going to put the products that I use in the description bar down below, because it's kind of hard for me to, you know, give product names while doing a chit chat or whatever. But yeah, I'm going to let you guys know what I used in the description bar down below. But right now, I just went in with my Julius Place blush. I love that blush. It's like crack. Like, it's amazing. I love it. I just love like the way it goes on so smooth, and I love the color on my skin. Exceptional. I love it. But yeah, I was feeling myself OD in this video, like, and it's a soft glam. I've been obsessed with soft glams recently. Yeah, this is the eyeliner that comes with the blush. Tell me that ain't bomb. You see that? Tell me that ain't bomb. And I think it's less than $16. What? It is bomb AF. All right. Get you some Julius Place blush and highlighter palette. Get you that blush and highlighter palette from Julius Place, okay? Okay? You need that in your kit. It's amazing. But yeah, I've, been practicing and working on making myself better, being a better person, doing some reflection and all that. Forgiving myself for stuff I've done in the past. And damn, I'm going too deep. I'm going too deep. I'm gonna bring it back. I'm gonna bring it back. I'm gonna bring it back a little. All right, let me bring it back. Let me bring it back. I'm gonna bring it back. Okay, so I'm contouring my nose. I love me a nice little sharp nose contour, but not too sharp. It must be just right, okay? I don't like it too harsh every time. But I mean, I could go there if I wanted to, but I don't always like it too harsh. But before I apply the contour powder, I also apply a darker shade, either foundation stick color or foundation period, and I go over it with powder just to set that area. Anyway, we are at the end of this video. It's only 12 or 11 minutes. And yeah, this is how the look came out. And baby, it looks good. I love it. And I love these freaking lashes, honey. I love me some good 25mm lashes, all right? Anyway, I know it's black screen, but I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Bye. Enjoy your day and do whatever you need to do to get you right. Okay?